Hello, everybody. It's me, Norm. Huh. It's post-Seder days, pre-Easter. Um I'd like to thank the right person. I don't remember who posted it, but I saw something genius where, for a cover, for a face mask, they took a book cover, like to do when you're putting together a document. So just clear, and they used the side of it to put through their glasses. The stores are closed. I suppose you can buy these things online, clear. But I came up with something that I think is fantastic. I insist everybody share this solution as an extra measure when you're going out. The fact is, and thanks sweet dear baby Jesus for my neighbors that have been picking me up groceries, I think that this solution is, I'm going to go out. Okay, I'm going to go out. I'm going to stay cautious. And here's the solution. This is a big badass Ziploc bag. You know, you put your stuff in the fridge or the freezer. I cut it in half and I made some holes where your glasses go and then at either end. Let me show you. So here's my face mask. I made a face mask out of a bag that I have in the house. So basically all I did was I measured from the thingamabobble on the side that goes over your fucking ear and the other side, and then one up at the top. And you just feed it through one side to the other. And I have to tell you, these aren't the clear bags. I am sure that the company has clear plastic so I can see better. The fact of the matter is I can see blurry through this fine. I mean, right now I know there's 2 fingers and 3 fingers. And absolutely, if I look just straight down, look, I'm looking straight down. So the very fact of the matter is if you want to look, you could just go like this. What I'm thinking, everybody, is I'm going to put on a bandana, like, just so I cover my face and my schnoz so no shit's coming in. With the glasses up and styling, with this on, I'm going to go to the store. I'm going to go do some grocery shopping. I'm going to go out in public. If you think this is a great idea, please share it. If you don't think it's a good idea, say, Norm, just comment. Just, Norm, fuck off. Stop already. This is in your head. No, it's not, everybody. Stay safe. Happy Easter and Passover and whatever rocks your calendar.